Are you struggling with importing data from Excel to Access? You're not alone. Many users face this frustrating issue, and today we're going to help you resolve it. I completely understand how annoying it can be when you encounter errors while trying to import data. It can feel like you're hitting a brick wall, especially when you're on a deadline. Let's dive into the specific issue at hand. One user reported receiving an error message stating, "The Microsoft Jet database engine cannot find the input table or query person's dollars." This can be quite perplexing, right? Let's figure this out together. So, what does this error mean? It usually indicates that Access can't find the specified table in your Excel file. This could be due to a typo in the table name or the way the Excel file is structured. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how to fix this error, but also learn some best practices for future imports. To resolve the import error, the user should first check the naming of the Excel sheet. The error message indicates that the Microsoft Jet database engine cannot find the input table or query named person's dollar. This suggests that the sheet name in the Excel file might be incorrect. Next, the user should confirm that the Excel file is located in the correct directory. The path specified in the code must match the actual location of the Excel file. In this case, it should be located at c/exportdb/sourcedxls. After confirming the sheet name and file path, the user should review the connection string in the code. The connection string must correctly reference the Access database and the Excel file. Ensure that the provider is set correctly. Finally, if the issue persists, the user should check the data types in the Excel sheet. Ensure that the data types in the Excel columns match those defined in the Access database table. Mismatched data types can also lead to import errors. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of Microsoft Access was released in 1992? It has come a long way since then, but some errors still feel like they belong to the past. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests checking your connection string. The user points out that your connection string doesn't match the reference you're following. They recommend using a connection string that specifies Excel as the data source and includes extended properties for Excel 8.0. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. An alternative solution suggests that the error may be due to trying to insert data from the spreadsheet directly into the Access database. Instead, you should open separate connections to both the Access database and the Excel spreadsheet. Then, query the data from the spreadsheet and insert it into the Access database record by record. This method ensures that you can handle each record individually and protect against SQL injection. If you want to ensure all records are inserted successfully, you can use a transaction to roll back in case of any errors. Here's a pro tip. Always keep your Excel files organized and clearly named. This will save you a lot of headaches when importing data into Access. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the import error and successfully transfer your data. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.